So this angle can be assumed as theta. So this R can be resolved into two components. Along with the theta, this can be written as R cos theta. R cos theta. The other side of the angle, that is the vertical direction, that can be written as R sin theta. What should be the length? Length, we have to, this is the length of this vector. So you can do a dot here. Here also you can put a dot here. So you are getting a look of a rectangle. So this R is acting as a diagonal. So if you are considering theta with this, the resolved component along with theta is cos theta. The other side will be sin theta.
If there is a angle here, then it will be cos theta.
Here, if this angle is phi, a different angle, then along with the phi, I can put R, along with theta, it should be cos theta. Na?
Oh.
So along with the phi, it should be cos phi. So R cos phi. Here, not along with the phi, the other side. So this component you can represent R sin phi. Understood? So in this way, you can resolve a vector. How it is came? Normal right angle property. You can see this is a right angle.
Yes.
This is 90 degree. If this is our vector R, this is vector R, and this is theta, what I told you that along with the theta, it should be cos theta. For example, I am considering this as X. Considering this as X. So in this triangle, what is cos theta? What is cos theta? In a right triangle, what is cos theta?
Opposite by?
No. Base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Who is base? The side which is very close to the other than hypotenuse. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. 90 degree, the opposite side is 90 degree. That we will call it as hypotenuse. That is fixed. That is fixed. Always fixed. Okay. The side which is opposite to 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Then remaining two sides are there. So that side will be maybe base or perpendicular. That is depending on which point you are standing. For example, if you are standing here, that means you are standing at this point. Who is opposite? Opposite is this one. So this is perpendicular. The person where is near base. Understood? This is with respect to this point. Because you are standing here or your angle is here. With respect to theta, opposite is P. Opposite is AB. Opposite is AB. Suppose I am standing here. For example, I am standing here. Now I am on this point. Hypotenuse is fixed. Hypotenuse is fixed. But my opposite will be here because and base will be here. So hypotenuse is fixed. So now you are sitting here.
Yes.
And I'm sitting here. So I'm sitting, you are sitting my right side, and I'm sitting your left side. But we two are in this room. Room is fixed. After 5 minutes, you are sitting here and I am going to sit there. So now your right side is me and my left side is you. Why? We changed our position, but still we are inside this room. So that can be considered as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always fixed. That is a side opposite to the 90 degree. Always. Base and perpendicular will adjust with respect to which angle you are considering.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So, who is base?
Base is X.
X. What is hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse is R.
R. So, from here you can get a relation cos theta equal to X by R. If you are doing cross multiplication, what you will get? R into X is equal to R into cos theta. So that means this R can be written as, so this R can be resolved into R cos theta. So the side which is the resolved component close to the theta, that is R cos theta. Now you tell what is sin theta here. What is sin theta?
Is hypotenuse perpendicular by
Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Who is perpendicular here with respect to theta? P is AB, that is AB. So if you are putting Y here, that is Y by R. So you are getting a relation sin theta equal to Y by R. Now also you can do the same thing, cross multiplication. What you will get? Y equal to R. So perpendicular component is R sin theta and horizontal component R cos theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the resolving a vector into two components. Take down this as theta. So along with theta, we will represent R cos theta. Along in the perpendicular direction, we have to consider R sin theta. But length, how much you have to consider? Like this. This should be the length. This is R cos theta. Here also, you cannot go like this infinitely. It should be this much. This is the resolving vector into two components. Understood? Shortcut, na? Pandit Badri Prasad. Pandit Badri Prasad. Har Bole. Pandit Badri Prasad. Har Bole. You should remember this order. Sin, cos, tan. Sin, cos, tan. So here you can put sine. Here you can put cos. Here you can put tan. We are not about, we are not interested about Pandit, but we are interested about that P only. This is P. This is H. So this is sine. Sine cos tan, that order should be pakka. Sine cos tan. There is no change for that order.
Yes.
Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. So sine equal to P upon H. Cos base upon hypotenuse. Tan perpendicular upon base. In order to remember, sometime you will get some doubt whether it is perpendicular by hypotenuse or base by hypotenuse or perpendicular by base. So in that case, if you are Pandit Badri har bole, that is normal used word. So a little bit easy to remember. So just write Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. So you will get sine matlab means P by H, cos means B by H, tan means P by B. Immediately you will get. Pandit Badri Prasad har bole. That is actually Hindi word. Physics. Up to 8 o'clock. Now, so this is the vector resolved into 2. That means if you have two vectors like this, this is r cos theta,
Yes.
and this is r sin theta. What will be the resultant?
Resultant will be from
Resultant will be r. Resultant will be r.
and the theta will be there on the side of.
So this is theta. Understood?
Sir.
So this angle is 1 minute. Then here you can see. This is a vector A.
Okay.
I have another vector B here. But I am dealing, and the angle between the two vectors is theta. But I am dealing with free vectors. So this vector can be taken into anywhere in this space without changing the magnitude and direction. Hence the name free vector. So I'm going to change that vector into this point. So I will transfer this vector into this point. So vector look like this. So this vector is transferred to a different location.
Okay.
But the angle between the two vectors remains the same, theta. So here AB look like the sides of a parallelogram. Here AB look like the sides of a triangle. The result in both cases, result is this one.
Yes.
If it is a triangle, then A, B are the sides of the triangle, and the third side is the resultant. If this A and this B are the sides of a parallelogram, the third, the resultant will be along the diagonal of the parallelogram. Understood? Both are same concept only. If you are shifting that vector to one side, it will look like a triangle. If you are shifting back to the original side, it will look like a parallelogram. Actually, triangle law and parallelogram law are same only, but in your view, it will be different. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, if such a vector A and B is given, the resultant vector can be represented as, the resultant vector magnitude can be represented as R equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. 2AB cos theta. What is theta? This angle. Then I will show you some cases. Theta can be 0 degree. Theta can be 0 degree. That is one of the case. If theta 0, what is cos 0? 1. So, if theta 0, the R can be represented as A square plus B square plus 2AB into 1. This is A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is that? A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is that?
It's a square plus
Identity. What identity? A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So, what is actually written inside? A plus B the whole square. What is the root of A plus B the whole square? What is the root of A plus B the whole square? This square and this square root will cut. You will get A plus B. So, in this case, what is given? You have a vector A, another vector B, A and B. The angle between these two is 0 degree. If you want to calculate the resultant, no need to use the formula. Simply add 2 vectors. Simply add 2 vectors. Second case. Theta equal to 90 degree. Theta equal to
90 degree.
So what is the resultant? R equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 90. What is cos 90? Cos 90? Cos 90? 0. Cos 90? 0.
Okay.
So you can write A square plus B square plus 2AB into 0. That means this term will become 0. No?
Yes.
So remaining A square plus B square. So you have a vector A and you have a vector B. Both are perpendicular. That is theta equal to 90 degree. Then resultant will be a vector R that is equal to, its magnitude is equal to A square plus B square. Here theta value is 90 degree. But you don't know what is the angle between the resultant vector and the one of the vector. That you don't know. That we have to calculate. That I will tell you. Another case. Third case. So theta equal to 0 degree, theta equal to 90 degree, theta equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Theta equal to 180 degree. So here you can see one vector is like this. The other vector theta means 90, 180 means other should go like this. So angle between 180 degree. In such case, what is the resultant? R equal to root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 180. What is cos 180? What is cos 180? Cos 180 is minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. So you can write like this. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Because we are multiplying with the 1 minus 1. So minus 2ab. What is a square plus b square minus 2ab? Which identity?
A square minus B square.
A minus b the whole square. So this 2 and this square will get cut. A minus b. So you are getting r equal to a minus b. So if the vectors are in opposite direction, no need to use the formula, simply subtract. If the vectors are in same direction, no need to use the formula, simply add. Understood? If the vectors are in perpendicular direction, if we want to calculate the magnitude of the resultant vector, simply calculate the root of a square plus b square. Understood? Now, you have a vector A and you have a vector B, and resultant is like this. The angle between A and B is theta. That is theta. Paka. The angle between the resultant vector and one of the vector is alpha. If you want to calculate alpha, what we have to do? Sometimes they may ask, what is the angle between the resultant vector and one of the vector, given vector? So you have to calculate alpha. You know theta, you know A, you know B, but you don't know alpha. If you are aware of A and B and theta, then resultant you can calculate. What is the resultant? You have formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. A you know, B you know, theta you know. Then there is no difficulty to calculate the magnitude of the vector R. But you have to calculate the angle. How to calculate?
You have to take for this again.
What you have to do? I will show that. This is A. This is A. This is B. I am considering free vector. So I am going to replace that vector into a different point. Understood? Without changing the magnitude and direction. So I am going to represent that vector here. This is my B. So my resultant is like this. My resultant vector is like this. That is normal case. So if this is A and this is B, the resultant is R. The angle between A and B is theta. Understood? Here also the angle between theta A and B remains theta only. So here also you are getting theta only. But here you can resolve this vector into two components. Here आपके पास एक B vector है, एक theta B है. This can be resolved into two components. Along with the theta, B cos theta. Perpendicular direction, B sin theta. So here you can write this will be B cos theta. This will be B sin theta. B sin theta means if this vector is like this, since we are dealing with the free vector, this vector can be taken like this. I will show you. This is a vector B, and this is the theta, and this is B cos theta, and along with the perpendicular direction, I can keep B sin theta. But I am dealing with the free vector, so you can take this vector into a different location without changing the magnitude and direction. So I am going to keep this vector into this side. The same thing is happened here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is, so what is this total length?
The length is A
plus B cos theta. Good. A plus B cos theta. In magnitude wise, A plus B cos theta. So this is the angle between, okay, 8 o'clock, okay. This is alpha.
Yes.
The angle between the resultant vector and the one of the
One
vector.
of the vector, yes.
So here you are getting a triangle. I will show you the triangle. A triangle with alpha. This is R. This is A plus B cos theta. This is sin theta. That big triangle. Understood? So in this big triangle, please tell me what is tan alpha.
Tan alpha will be
Tan alpha will be
cos by sine.
nahi. Cos by sine. Tan alpha is sine by cos,
Sine by
not cos by sine. Tan alpha is equal to जैसे लिखो पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले साइन कोस tan. So tan मतलब perpendicular upon base. Who is perpendicular? Now I am standing here. Na, alpha is here, so I am standing here. Who is perpendicular? This is perpendicular. My base is this one. So perpendicular is b sin theta. Base is
b cos theta.
cos theta. You know b, you know theta, you know a. So in this case, all terms are non-values. A आपको पता है, A known to you, B known to you, theta known to you. So B sin theta is known to you. A plus B cos theta is also known to you. So here all the things are known to you. Then you can easily calculate tan alpha, the angle between the resultant vector and the one of the vector. Understood? So this is idea about resolving a vector into two. Resolving means if this is theta, this will be b cos theta and this will be b sin theta. Horizontal direction means the direction which is very close to theta is b cos theta. The other side will be b sin theta. This can be represented like this also. This is also b sin theta. Since we are dealing with the free vectors, b sin theta can be represented here also. Understood? So this is b cos theta, b sin theta. That is resolving a vector into two components. The another one is you have two vectors a and b, and the angle between the two vector is theta, and you are getting a resultant r. The angle between one of the vector and resultant is alpha. A, b known to you, a known to you, theta known to you. Then you have to calculate the direction in which the resultant is acting. In which direction? A and B, कुछ तो resultant होना चाहिए ना? There should be some resultant. So in what direction it is acting? So you have to say the particular angle. From this vector, it is making an angle of, it is acting at an angle of 45 degree or 60 degree, 30 degree. You have to say like that. So this is alpha. That formula is alpha equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. So this is an important equation. Another equation, what is r? Root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Then you have to consider theta equal to 0, make what will be the result? Just add. If theta equal to 0, just add r equal to a plus b. If theta equal to 180 degree, r will be a minus b. If theta equal to 90 degree, r will be root of a square plus b square. Understood? Now I will consider another one case. Here, my A magnitude and B magnitude both are same.
Yeah.
I have two vectors A and B. Both are acting on different direction. And the angle between them is theta also. Then the only consideration is magnitude is same. Magnitude is same, but acting in a different direction. So this can be, this is my A. my A, and this is my B. So I will get a resultant.
Yes.
But here condition क्या दिया है? A is equal to B, not A equal to B. Magnitude of A equal to magnitude of B. If A equal to B, then its magnitude and direction should be same. If only here only magnitude is same.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, yeah.
So what is the resultant? You will get some resultant, and result is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Since A magnitude is equal to magnitude of B, then you can put A square plus 2A into cos theta, because B is equal to A.
Yes.
B is equal to A means not telling the direction. Magnitude wise, B is equal to A. So here you will get A square plus A square, 2A square, 2 into A square cos theta. So here in this 2 term, who is common? 2A square. So you can take like that. 2A square common. So remaining 1 here, cos theta. What is 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos theta, 2A square. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4A square cos square theta by 2. So you can write 2, 4 matlab 2 square. A square cos square theta by 2. You can see here is 2, here is 2, here is 2. All 2 get cancel with under root. So you will get a resultant 2A theta by 2. 2A cos theta by 2. Here you are having two vectors A and B, and the angle between is theta. Then the resultant can be represented like this: 2A cos theta by 2. Understood?
If the magnitude is same.
If the magnitude is same. But vectors are not equal. If two vectors are equal, its magnitude and direction should be equal. Here only magnitude is equal. Understood? If the here theta equal to 0, what will be the result? R equal to 2A cos 0. 0 by 2. What is 0 by 2? 0.
0.
What is cos 0? 1.
0 is 1.
2A. Where in that case I told you A plus B. If A and B are equal, it will become A plus A, 2A. Same.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Second case, theta equal to 90 degree. R equal to 2A cos 90 by 2 equal to 2A cos 90 by 2, 45. 90 by 2, 45. So what is cos 45?
45 is
1 by root 2. 2 can be represented as root 2 into root 2. 2 can be represented as root 2 into root 2.
Yes.
So root 2 get cancelled. You will get the answer root 2A. Understood? In previous case, I told you R equal to A square plus B square if theta is equal to 90 degree. If A square is equal to B square, this can be written as A square plus A square, that is equal to root of 2A square. This can be A square can be taken out. So this can be written as root 2A. Both are same. Both are same. The next case, theta equal to 180 degree. If theta equal to 180 degree, R is equal to 2A cos theta by 2. 2A, our result is 2A cos theta by 2. So 2A cos 180 by 2. Theta is 180 degree. So 2A cos 180 by 2 cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Understood?
Yes.
So in previous case, I told you that if theta is equal to 180 degree, you can take simply minus. If theta equal to 180 degree, simply you can subtract. No need to use a formula. If A and B are equal, A minus A, 0. Both are equal. Understood? This is the concepts. You don't know trigonometry's basic values. You should remember. Wherever you are going, that trigonometric basic, this is very required. You see this one, sine theta. It can be 0 degree. It can be 30 degree. It can be 45 degree. It can be 60 degree. This can be 90 degree. फिर भी आगे, if you are going forward, you will get so many values. But these are the standard. So theta, you have to put a 2 here. Here also, you have to put a 2 here. Here also, you have to put a 2 here. Here also, you have to put a 2 here. Here also, you have to put a 2 here. Understood? Now, you have to put a square root, square root, square root, square root, square root. In every case, you are putting square root.
Yes.
Then count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many? 5. Put 0 here. Put 1 here. Put 2 here. Put 3 here. Put 4 here. What is 0 by 2?
0 by 2 is
What is 1 by 2? Root of 1? 1.
1.
Answer will be 1 by 2. What is root 2 by 2? Root 2 by 2 means you can write 2 is actually root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cut. You will get an answer 1 by root 2. What is root 3 by 2? You have to write root 3 by 2. What is root 4?
4 is 2.
2. You will get 2 by 2. So you will get 1. So you are getting an answer 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Understood? These are the sign values. Remember this. Then you have to do reverse in cos. Reverse in cos. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Bolo, Pandit? Pandit? Pandit Badri? Prasad? Har Bole. Pandit Badri Prasad? Sin cos tan. Sin cos tan. What is sin?
Sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse.
Sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is cos? Base upon hypotenuse. What is tan?
Perpendicular upon base.
Perpendicular upon base. So what is sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. If two numbers divisions are like this, then denominator can be taken in reverse order and you can multiply. Instead of dividing, just take the denominator in reverse position and multiply. So P by H into H by B. So H cut, you are getting a P by B. What is this P by B? Tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is also P by B. So you have proved that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So you have to remember this value. Sin 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Like song, you should remember only this one. Remaining all things you have to do some modification. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So this is 5 points are there. So middle is third one. Middle is third one. Fix that third one at a cone position. Then please turn that ender. This should be fixed and turn this position. So the guy sitting here will be coming to this position. The guy sitting here will be coming to this position. The guy sitting at the middle will be in the middle only.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So cos can be written as, so this is middle wala. So 1 by root 2. Please ask him to sit here. Please ask him to go there. Please ask him to come here. Please ask him to go there. हो गया. Sin cos theta. Now I told you that tan is actually sin by cos. 0 by 1.
0 by 1 is
0.
Yes.
0 by 1 is 0. What is 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2?
root 3.
1. No. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 means you have to multiply 1 by 2
Into
2 by root 3. 2 cut 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. If it is 1 by root 3, this guy will be root 3. If this guy is 1 by root 3, this guy will be root 3. What is the division of 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2? Numerator be 1 by root 2. Denominator also 1 by root 2. If both numerator and denominator are the same, when you are dividing, you will get 1. Here, 1 by 0. What is 1 by 0?
1.
1 by 0.
1 by 0 is?
In 1, how many zeros are there? You don't know. You don't know. I will tell, somebody will tell 1 crore zeros are there in 1. No. 1 crore 0. If you are adding 1 crore 0, you will not get 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. There is no meaning of 1 by 0. Understood? Okay.